3 years ago, I was stuck. I needed a poster for my college event. I had zero design skills, no fancy software, and absolutely no idea where to start. But that moment sparked something. Today, I'm going to show you how to make professional posters even if you've never touched a design tool in your life. Sounds crazy? I get it. But I'll walk you through, step by step. If you've ever felt that you're not creative enough or not skilled enough, this video is for you. We're told that good design takes years to master, that you need Photoshop skills, a design degree, or artistic talent. That's just not true anymore. Most beginners give up before even starting. Why? Because of fear. Fear of not being good enough. But the truth is, design is a skill, not a talent, and it starts with the right tools and mindset. This is Canva. It's free, it's beginner friendly, and trust me, it's like cheating in a good way. You don't need to start from a blank canvas. Steps 1. Choose a template. Search poster. 2. Pick a theme, event, business, sale, etc. 3. Replace text with your content. 4. Adjust colors to your brand purpose. 5. Add icons, logos, or illustrations. 6. Export in high quality. Tip: choose one bold font, one readable font, and stick to 2 to 3 colors max. Less is more. Let me share something I wish I knew earlier. Design is visual communication. You don't need art, you need clarity. Here's how to structure your poster visually. Design formula. Headline: what's happening? Subtext: when, where, why. Visual anchor: image or graphic that attracts. Call to action: what should they do next? Imagine your poster on someone's phone. Will they stop scrolling? Will they remember it? Will they take action? That's your real test. Now let's design together. I'm creating a poster for a fictional music event, live, right here, and you can follow along. Don't worry about perfection. Worry about clarity. Done is better than perfect. Drop me in the comments if you're designing along with me. When I started, I was scared to even show my work, but each design gave me confidence. It's not about talent, it's about taking the first step. The first poster you design might suck, and that's okay, but your 10th will be better. Your 20th, even better. That's growth. You just made your first professional-looking poster, without experience, without Photoshop, and without fear. If this video helped you, hit that like button and comment. Subscribe for more design tips, tutorials, and real stories, because your design journey starts now.